Hello, it's Phil Thompson with StreamingChurch.tv. Thanks for using StreamingChurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. We really encourage you to use the StreamingChurch.tv video chat platform. You could do video only in your streaming, but the video chat platform gives you a chance to interact with people and create a better connection. So to do that, we also encourage you to have somebody that's designated as a web host or church online host. We're going to show you how to do that. Go over to the left to streaming page and scroll down here to web host. Now, here's a list of names already on this test account. Curly, Mo, I don't know what happened to Larry. Steve's taking his place, whatever. But what this works is that when you have somebody that is your designated web host, if they're set up here, then when they're on the live platform, it will have their name and it will also say web host. So people who are watching the stream can interact and they can know that they're talking to somebody from your church that's actually a designated web host or church online host. So one little thing you need to know about this, and that is that when you put somebody in here, they have to match how they're logged in to the chat room on the StreamingChurch.tv video chat platform. So if I put my name in here like Phil, and I'm going to be the web host for my church here, and click Add Web Host, okay? By the way, you can delete these people too. I'll show you what I mean here. So I'm Phil, I'm the web host. So, but if I go over here to the platform, and this is a platform here. You can see a test platform. I'm logged in as Phil Thompson. It doesn't say anything about web host here. Well, that's because I'm logged in as Phil Thompson, not just Phil. So the point I'm trying to make here is it has to match up. So Steve Lacey has to be Steve Lacey when he logs into the platform in order to show up with the web host name after his name on the live video chat platform. Same way with Mo, Tina. If they have their last name in here, if they have spaces, it's got to match up exactly when they log into the Streaming Church video chat platform in order to be identified as a web host. Hope that makes any sense to you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help you. Support at StreamingChurch.tv.